So if you guys don't know how brakes work, let me show you real quick since I'm going through my gears right now checking the transmission. So you got your rotor right here, the caliper, and then in the middle you got your pads. So let me show you up close. See that? That's actually normal for the brake pads to constantly touch. It's not really doing anything right now. So when you hit the brakes, there are pistons in here that push the pads out into the rotor, and that's what slows you down, the friction. And when you're not on the brakes at all, that's just constantly dragging, but it's so small that it's not doing anything to your speed. All right, now if you have a sticky caliper, like the caliper is bad, or the seals or the piston, if it sticks and it doesn't retract back, that's when you have a problem and you go through rotors. So if you guys have unusually crazy wear on your rotors and you just swapped them out like 2 weeks ago, it's probably because you have sticking pistons in your calipers. But just wanted to show you this setup right here because I'm just warming up my car and also going through my gears.